Hi everyone, this is Jeff of TAOFLEDERMAUS. Today we've got some 12 gauge rubber riot control shotgun slugs. Now these are actually manufactured in Italy and they're called Stabili-Shocks, I guess. And the important thing here is to maintain a low velocity so that they are less than lethal. We will be shooting these at about 1200 feet per second.
Don't hit the table.
All right.
Now most people have never seen a rubber slug or a rubber bullet up close before. This is what it looks like. It's about 1.5 inches long and it's actually made out of rubber and it's relatively soft. But very soft objects flying at very high velocities can still do substantial damage to you, including blunt force trauma. Now the specifications say these weigh 5.9 grams, which isn't very heavy considering a 1 ounce slug weighs 28 grams. Now we just load this into a federal birdshot shell as you see it here, knowing full well this is going to propel this rubber slug at velocities way above its less than lethal standards.
It hit it.
That was like no recoil.
Give a Marine a shotgun and he'll get a headshot every time. Now for a slug that's normally meant to fly at a subsonic speed, this thing actually handled flying at a supersonic speed quite well. You will notice that the tail of the slug is waggling around in the air, which is kind of common with longer projectiles. We often see that. However, it really didn't seem to affect its accuracy one bit. Now of course the impact flying at that velocity really put a wallop on that ballistic gel gummy bear. Now a law enforcement agency that is loading these slugs up had better make sure that their load data is correct, and they better make sure they're doing some chronograph tests to ensure that these are less than lethal. A so-called less than lethal slug abused and fired improperly like this can really result in some big problems. You can see that the ballistic gel is ripped up quite bad. You can imagine that if that was your leg or your head or whatever. We will be doing a few more tests with these in the near future, but I wanted to give you guys a little preview of these rubber slugs. And I definitely want to thank the guys at Ballistic Products for supplying these slugs for these tests. Ballistic Products is an absolute reloader's heaven. If you haven't checked them out, please do. I have a link in the description. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.